Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today, I'm going to share 2 effective methods to help you unsubscribe from unwanted emails. First, we'll cover how to manage your subscriptions directly in Gmail. Then, we'll explore using Clean Email for a more comprehensive solution. If you're tired of dealing with spam and promotional emails, stick around. Let's get started. This is all the email in my Gmail account. Go to the search bar in your email and type unsubscribe. These are all the unsubscribed emails. Click on the filter icon. After that, create a filter. Click on Apply the label. Unwanted is the name of the new label. After that, check the box to mark Also Apply Filter to matching conversations. Click on Create Filter. Go to the Labels section on the left side. Click on the Unwanted label. These are all the emails that have been unsubscribed. Click on Select. After that, all the emails will be selected. Click on Delete. All the unsubscribed emails in Gmail have been deleted. Next, let's try a different approach using a third-party service called Clean Email. Visit clean.email. Click on Try for free. This service provides a trial version that you can use to clean up your inbox. Here is the email from which we need to delete the unsubscribed emails. Click on Sign in with Google. Choose your Gmail account. Click on Continue. Check the box and click on Allow. Click on Get Started. Now you have different options such as exploring cleaning suggestions, viewing and cleaning your inbox, unsubscribing from mailing lists, blocking and muting a sender, stopping unwanted mail, and automatically cleaning and organizing mail. You can select Unsubscribe from mailing list. After that, all the emails will be shown. I will select the emails. Click on the Unsubscribe button at the bottom. Click on Try for free. After that, click on Start your free trial. Click on the Unsubscribe button at the bottom. Click on Confirm. The selected emails have been deleted. And that's it. 2 effective ways to clean up your inbox from unsubscribed emails. I hope you find these methods helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech AI for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further help, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.